Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines, the Comfee and the BANGSON. If you're looking for a compact washer that fits your lifestyle, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll dive into the specifications, pros and cons, and unique features of each model. We'll cover their capacities, wash cycles, and overall value to help you make an informed choice. Let's get started. When it comes to price, the Comfee Portable Washing Machine is priced at $249, while the BANGSON Compact Portable Washing Machine is significantly more affordable at $139. This price difference can be a deciding factor for many consumers, especially those on a budget. In terms of capacity, the Comfee has a smaller capacity of 0.9 cubic feet, making it suitable for lighter loads. On the other hand, the BANGSON offers a total capacity of 17.6 pounds, which includes 11 pounds for washing and 6.6 pounds for spinning. This larger capacity makes the BANGSON a better option for those who need to wash more clothes at once. The Comfee Portable Washing Machine is fully automatic, offering 5 wash cycles and energy-efficient operation. In contrast, the BANGSON is a semi-automatic model with 3 wash cycles, requiring manual transfer between wash and spin cycles. This difference in operation can significantly impact user experience and convenience. In conclusion, both the Comfee and BANGSON portable washing machines have their strengths and weaknesses. The Comfee offers advanced features and a fully automatic experience, while the BANGSON provides a budget-friendly option with a larger capacity. Consider your needs and preferences before making a decision. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.